Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Theta in the Theta Network. I did just recently up-tune my microphone just a little bit because we had some people saying it was a little bit too soft, so let me know in the comments if you guys would, if my microphone volume is good enough for this video. I will say, guys, we talk about Theta quite a lot on the channel because it has such great value. It's only $8 right now, and this is after a massive increase. And I want to talk about this increase and what may have been causing this increase. We have some great news to cover today, and I think, a lot of it comes with great news. A lot of, hype gets pushed into these coins, and instantly you see very, very high price increases. So we actually saw it go from about $7.32 at 12:05 p.m. Now being close to 1 p.m., we saw a massive jump to $8. I think this will continue to rise. We'll see how high it really goes. $7.95. Maybe it'll drop back down. We'll see what happens though. It's very hard to tell when it has a massive increase like this. We don't know if it's going to continue to increase or kind of stabilize here or even drop back down. It could do one of the three things. Any of them are open to opportunities, but we're going to talk about the market cap. So $7.9 billion in the market cap right now, $353.9 million in volume in the last 24 hours. There's a lot of things to take a look at today, and like I said, there's a lot of great news for Theta here in the last couple hours and I guess days previous. So let's take a quick look. Hollywood powerhouse CAA joins blockchain video network Theta. The addition of creative artist agency as a validator brings the video network closer to full decentralization, said Theta Labs CEO Mitch Liu. He talks about, the top talent and sports agency creative artist agency CAA has joined Theta to help with governance and validation of its blockchain-based video delivery network. CAA will work alongside 7 other external Theta Enterprise Validator and Governance Council members, including Google, Sony, Samsung, as well as major private equity and cryptocurrency firms. The membership means CAA will run a validator node and help ensure the robustness of the network, Theta announced in a press release on Thursday. So a lot of people are starting to look at this. This was fairly recent news. As you can see, this was updated 11:08 a.m. So this article is fairly recent. Definitely could have something to do with the most recent increase in price as well. I'm not going to read too much into the other bullet points here, but like I said, this is on CoinDesk.com talking about the Hollywood powerhouse CAA joins blockchain video network Theta. So that's a big deal. Jumping into, the Twitter, he actually obviously said, "Welcome on board CAA. Now you're in good company, Google, Sony, Samsung, etc." So it's great to see that all take place. Jumping into the next thing, we see EdgeNode update. So we have an update with the EdgeNode. V2.3.94 is live with key updates, testing for Mainnet 3.0 features, TFUEL staking, reward splits, and proof of uptime, scalability improvements to support elite edge network with 100K plus nodes, UI update for BlockFi, peer count, uptime proof submission as well. So we're seeing a lot of great things take place here, a lot of new updates, a lot of new progress monitoring really taking place, and that's what we see here as well. So great to be working with CoinDesk again. So next week you can watch the consensus 2021 keynote speeches by Ray Dalio. We talked about all these people before, and obviously they talk more about the Theta Network at Theta.tv. So that's great to see that coming. And he actually said this, May 20th, obviously. So this has taken place already. We're on the last day of the consensus 2021. So we'll see what takes place today. I will say, guys, though, realistically, we've seen a lot of good things taking place in the consensus 2021. We talked about the Ray news, how he was involved with cryptocurrencies already, and a lot of people are very excited about that. So we'll see what continues to take place with this consensus 2021, get any big news or information out of that. But like I said, Theta is continuing to see great things happen. We also see a Theta drop marketplace coming in June 2021. Stay tuned for more details. So we'll see what actually takes place here. This guy, does it impact on Theta token price? Please reply yes, it will go down 6. Great comments. That so obviously nobody knows how things are going to impact token prices. So kind of a stupid tweet there, but it's all right. Jumping into Theta, I do want to talk about what Theta is and why this Theta Mainnet 3.0 is going to be so big. So we actually saw it go up to $8.01 there, and now back to $7.97. So a great increase in the last 24 hours of about 11%. But let's take a look at the website, because a lot of people don't understand what Theta Mainnet 3.0 really means for it. So introducing TFUEL staking and uptime mining. They have 34 days, 2 hours left. You can download the Theta Edge node to participate, and they talk about really, this Theta Mainnet 3.0 is going to be huge. Introducing TFUEL staking and uptime mining, I can't really stress enough how much that is going to impact the price of Theta. If we take a look at the last year, you can actually see it here. I mean, this is all a build up, but for the most part right here around this 11 to 12, $13 range, we saw a massive increase when we got closer and closer to Mainnet 3.0. We actually saw it go up to 1590, and then it went straight back down because unfortunately there was a delay, and a lot of people were not willing to wait, the 90 days of the delay. So that's what pretty much took place there. I do want to talk more about the website, though. If we go down, you can actually see, the live partners they have, Theta.tv, Samsung VR, and G-Fuel. If you go down even more, you can see the enterprise validator nodes, Google, Sunny, Samsung, Binance, Blockchain, and Gumi. Very, very big companies there. Continuing down, you can see the problem, the solution, as well as the open source platforms. We're not going to go diving too much really into this, but like I said, guys, there's a lot here for you guys to research on your own. If you're looking to get a little bit more details and information on Theta, definitely do your own research. Go to thetatoken.org and read more about it, because this is definitely a token that has a long-term future. We've talked about it a lot. It's been in my top 5 buys now for a couple of months, and I'm going to do an updated price, or I guess top 5 for the month coming up, obviously going to be June. So we'll do a top 5 for June, and we'll see if Theta makes it. But, it's crazy to see, Theta continually really kind of be undervalued. I think it's undervalued still at this current price point. $7.9 billion. We continue to see a lot of different coins undervalued because of the market right now. But just remember, Theta is definitely one that's going to get back to that 1590 at some point. So, if you're looking to find some crypto, Theta might be the one for you. Just like I said, do your own research. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do that research yourself. So jumping into price predictions now for May, June, and 2021. If we jump through, we see the last week alone doing a 31.44% increase. We went down all the way down to about $4.59, which is just crazy. That's a massive, massive drop. We actually saw it here go down to $30.98. Where was this? May 19th at 8 a.m. So that was the major drop. And then we saw, obviously, another drop with all the FUD from China and all the different kind of FUD that came out. So we're continuing to see a great recovery from a lot of coins, Theta being one of those that is definitely seeing a great recovery as well. We actually saw it go up to $8 May 26th, and now we're seeing it again go up to $8. So we'll see what really takes place. I think we're going to get closer and closer to $10 and back to normal for a lot of these coins. So we'll see what takes place, like I said. But jumping into the month of May, I do suspect $8. If we could just stabilize above $8, $8.25, that would be a great price target for us by the end of May. By the end of June, I do suspect that we will have a better push. Do remember, these are very, very conservative price predictions. I always try to keep them as realistic and reasonable as possible. But by the end of June, I do suspect Theta being back to about a $12 price point. By the end of 2021, or the bull market, I do suspect Theta could easily push past $60. I was previously saying around $80 in my previous price predictions, but I think $60 to $80 is more of a price target I would like to go for, just because it is more realistic and conservative, and I always try to stay in those guidelines. So $60 to $80 for Theta by the end of the bull run. We'll see if that's accurate or not, but we'll continue to keep you guys up to date on Theta and the price predictions for Theta, as well as any big updates like we saw today with the Hollywood powerhouse CAA joins blockchain video network Theta. So that's a big deal, obviously, as we continue to see more and more come out about Theta and TFUEL doing so well. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys have any comments or questions, and like I said, let me know about my microphone. Let me know if it's good volume, a little low, a little high. I did just change that, so I have no idea yet. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one.